Crypto F here. Before we go to today's topic, I want to say that this video is not a financial advice, it is my opinion only, and it is for educational purposes.
Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Let's talk charts. This is Bitcoin's chart, 1 hour. So we reached a new low here. We just touched 3200, which is my short-term target. Well, 3000 to 3200 is my short-term target. We just touched it here, and this looked like a nice reversal candle, but there was no follow through the next hour. But after that we get a huge bounce, which in my opinion is nothing else than a short squeeze. At these levels we had too much over leveraged shorters, so this is just really logical consequence. After that, here we've been refused at 3500. This could be a short-term low in case we get a nice follow through, nice bounce and follow through above 3500 and then slowly higher. This could be it, but I don't believe it is it, because we've been rejected here at 3500, and then we were not even able to hold 3400, so we dropped below. We've been refused 2 times, and then we made a second low a little bit higher than previous one, and then this bounce in my opinion is again short squeeze, because there is too many over leveraged shorters, which by the way I don't know why people are still shorting so much at these levels. But anyway, so we are at the moment right here, and in my opinion at the moment we broke below 3400 again, so we were not able to hold 3400 again. At the moment we are below it, and this shows weakness of Bitcoin. I'm expecting Bitcoin to drop a little bit more below this previous low, somewhere to 3100, and then if we get a nice bounce and follow through and continuation, then I believe this could be it short term, and we can go up much higher. I hope and I believe all the way up to 5000 or even higher. Let's look at Bitcoin on a daily chart. So daily chart, let me make this a little bit bigger. I hope you can hear me well today, because outside there is really annoying dog barking all the time, and it is driving me crazy, guys, I have to tell you. But let's just try to concentrate. So at this candle we reached a new low, and it was nice reversal, and then after that we need to close above it and get some continuation if we wanted to say this is a short-term low and we will get that desired bounce. But we didn't get that, so we are dropping again below 3400. So in my eyes this is weakness, and I believe we're going to test this 3000, this area. Well, it for sure it will not be exact 3000, but it will be somewhere in this area. On a weekly chart On a weekly chart, I'm looking at 200 weeks moving average, which at the moment is at 3160. So we were very close to touch it, but we didn't. This could be within margin of error, so I was ready to believe that that was it if we get some nice continuation to the upside, but because we didn't get it, I don't think that's it. So what I'm looking for is next candle, or even next after that, to really go below this, but not close below, but not close below. So I can see it go even below 3000, but then we get a nice reversal and we don't close below this 200 weekly moving average. On a monthly chart, I am looking at 50 months moving average, which at the moment is at 2960. So pretty much the same like a weekly chart. I was ready to say that's it, but we didn't get continuation, so I don't think that's it. So I'm looking to see a touch with 50 months moving average, so somewhere in 3000 area. But again, I expect price to touch or go even a little bit lower, but after that a reversal, so we will not close below. In my opinion, if we close below, then this is really a sign of weakness. Who knows where we might end. So let's go back to hourly chart just to sum up. Well, I don't think this is the short-term low. I think we will go somewhere here, well, probably a few days later, maybe somewhere here. Let's close this, sorry, this. We will go like this, who knows, and then we will drop somewhere here, and then we will bounce a little bit, and then we will get this short-term bounce where I become short-term bullish. But I don't think this is the moment to be short-term bullish. I think there will be another leg down and then bounce, because volumes are not there. We can see weakness. We are not able to hold 3400. We are rejected at 3500. So at the moment, nothing is telling me that we can be bullish. I want to remind you of another video that I posted 1 month ago. Well, it was on 1st November. Title is Imagine $80 Ethereum. Well, here we are. So at the time Ethereum was at around $200, and I speculated that it might drop down to $80. We have been down to 83, so that's pretty much it. So let's talk Ethereum for change. Well, I just have to mention this. This was here, this candle here. This was incredible short squeeze. It went down from 83 all the way up to 109. And that is nothing else than a short squeeze of over-leveraged shorters. Over-leveraged shorters at these levels. So they get squeezed out, but the price is dropping, another little short squeeze, and the price is still dropping. So in my opinion, price of Ethereum is very much dependent on price of Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin starts to get higher, get a little bit bounce to the higher, also Ethereum will follow. On the contrary, if Bitcoin keeps dropping, also Ethereum will be dropping. So basically we reached with 80, well, in fact we've been down to 81. We've reached a really long-term support at 80. So let's look at weekly chart, for example, to really determine what is this. We only have a history back to August. Well, I need more history, so let's take a look at some other exchange. Let it be Bitfinex, even though I don't like it too much, but okay, just for the sake, because I need Bitstamp, because I need more history. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's better, more history. So basically on a higher time frame, I'm looking at support levels. Well, there was a huge support here at 150, which was broken long ago, and down from that there is really not much support. So at the moment we are sitting at 92, but well, I examined some kind of support at around 80, which was hit already. So down from 80 there is no real support. Well, we can say a little bit here at around 40, 45, and then next it is really here 12, $14. So oh my god, if we break below $80, which is in high correlation with Bitcoin's price, and Bitcoin will drop to about 3,000 or 3,200, where we have already been. At the same time Ethereum was at 80, but I don't think 3,000 is the absolute low for Bitcoin. I believe we will go lower, and also Ethereum will in this case go lower than $80. So which is the next target? Well, the next target is 40 or 45, and if we break 40 or 45, then really we will go down to 12, 14, which is just incredible. Honestly, I cannot imagine $14 Ethereum. This is insane. So basically I'm looking to buy at around $80. I didn't buy at 83 this time. I missed the opportunity. I was not behind the charts, and then I decided to wait a little bit. Now we are at 90. I hope there will be another leg down, not huge one, just down to 80 or 75, somewhere there, and then a short bounce to the upside, and then final capitulation in 2019. I think it can brings us down to 40, $45. God damn it. So I will just save my fiat for $45 in Ethereum. That's just incredible. By the way, I think this is we will not get another this kind of opportunity to buy crypto so cheap. At these prices, there is at least 15 coins I would like to buy, and I would like to really accumulate, but of course I don't have enough fiat. It's just incredible. I can see in 5 years this well, most of the people will be crying and whining Why haven't they bought at these prices? It's just incredible. And if it really goes much lower, well, for example, Ethereum to $45, like I just said, this is just incredible. Guys, look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash at $100. Oh my. By the way, Bitcoin Cash was, oh really, there is no, oh there is, Bitcoin Cash was at 4,200 and something just 1 year ago. So Bitcoin Cash, I believe, probably is the winner of this bear market, well, the loser. EOS at 180, Litecoin, Cardano, Monero, IOTA, Binance Coin, Ethereum Classic, Neo, I don't know, WeChain, Bitcoin Gold, Ox, Basic Attention. It's just incredible. Well, I know that some of you don't like some of those coins. Somebody likes others, and so on. But you just have to admit that at this price as well, there were so many people just 1 year ago that were willing to buy all those cryptos at prices times 5 to times 10. They were willing to buy, they were begging me to sell them some crypto for prices 5 times to 10 times higher than right now. Well, can you believe this? But now nobody is willing to buy, not a single person. This is just ridiculous. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long, so I expect a little bit lower for short term and then bounce. Well, we will see what happens. Anyway, if you make a position right now, even if we keep dropping, I think you need to think long term, and position right now long term is excellent. Well, if we keep dropping, make another position if you can afford it, because all this is incredible for long term.
Okay, that's it for today. If you find this content useful, please give it a thumbs up, and please leave me some comments in the comment section down below. And also please subscribe for more future updates. Cheers!